Now, in this third part of the video, I will solve this question 17. I will write it on the board now and I will solve the problem. Now, if the enthalpy of a given reaction is minus 215 kilojoule per mole, and the entropy change of the reaction is 15.2 joule per mole per Kelvin at 30 degrees Celsius. Then the reaction will A, not spontaneous, B, be spontaneous, C, be irreversible, D, be at equilibrium. All right, now let's solve the problem. Okay, let's read the question again and get the major thing that we need to do. We want to show whether the reaction is spontaneous or not, or whether it is at equilibrium. From my previous video, we showed to us that at equilibrium, enthalpy change, gives free energy change is equal to 0. So we are going to test whether the value given here will give us 0. If it doesn't give us 0, then it is not at equilibrium. So let us check now. For a spontaneous reaction, entropy change must be positive. Entropy change must be what? Must be positive. So as a result of that now, how do we calculate the entropy change? From my previous video, the entropy change is equal to negative enthalpy change divided by temperature. When I do this, what is the enthalpy change given? Minus 215,000 joule per mole. I have converted K. K is 1000 multiplied by 215, then over temperature. What is temperature here? We are given 30 degrees Celsius, and you know our T here must be in Kelvin. We then convert this to Kelvin. When we do so, we add 30 to 273 and we have 303. I don't need to waste my time on this. Me are looking at the calculation. When I divide this, I'm going to get negative answer. Negative multiplied by negative, I get positive. So my entropy is positive. That is the first indicator. That my reaction is what? Is spontaneous. And if my entropy is positive, then my enthalpy must be negative. So in this question now, the enthalpy here is negative. Since the enthalpy given to me is negative, then my reaction is what? Is spontaneous. My reaction is what? Is spontaneous. But I can confirm further. I will find my delta G. Delta G is equal to enthalpy change minus T entropy change. Alright? So what is this? Minus 215,000 minus T, which is 303, multiplied by entropy change, which is 15. Oh, so which is 15.2. 15.2. Okay, if I do this, everything here will be negative. Minus will give me minus. My Gibbs free energy is also negative. So as a result of that, the answer to this question is B. The reaction is spontaneous. Thank you again for watching my video. This video is directly from Tutopedia Tutorial Center. We are located at Agbowo, very close to University of Ibadan. Please, I'm begging you again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And remember to press the notification bell so that anytime I release my video, you will be notified. Thank you so much.